What is up, guys? Flynn Broadfoot here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make gaming videos like Ali A. So, as you can see, Ali A, he has his face recording so he can talk and also have his face while playing Fortnite. So that's the recent games he's been playing. So I'm going to show you how to do that by using Imovie. So I use Imovie to edit all my videos, and I've used Imovie from the start. So what you want to do is open up Imovie. So I am using so I just show you guys what Imovie I'm using. So I'm using version 10.1.1. The newest update is just making it so it doesn't have any trouble moving to YouTube. But anyway, let's get straight into this. So what you want to do is you're going to come up to the plus sign and select what you want to do. So you can do a movie or trailer. We're going to do movie. So once it loads, it'll come up with what theme you want. So you've got all these different themes, but we're just going to stick to no theme. So just press create. And once it does that, it comes up with this, and then you put on whatever name you like and press OK, and it brings you up into the project. But I've already started on one, so I'm just going to open up this one. So let's just go open projects. So just load it up, and so this is a movie that I have not posted up on YouTube yet, but it's what I'm going to be about to post up. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and how to do all the audio and match up the audio with the gameplay so it looks nice. So so first we need to go over the clips. So whatever gameplay you're going to be doing, you got to put it onto a USB after you screen record your gameplay. So you just have to press double share, the double share button, and it'll come up. They'll be recording. So you can change it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, how long you would like the screen record on the PS4, and then go into Cap Gallery. Find what game you're doing. So I'm going to be doing Fortnite. So you click on the Fortnite, and then you press options on the clip and then press copy to USB. So you have to have your USB plugged in. So I just plugged in my USB, so it should come up soon. So here it is, Kingston, and I've got all my Fortnite clips on here that I want to import. I just want to import this one clip. So we're just going to press import selected, and it's just processing the files. So there we go. So now that it's loading, we're just gonna let it load. So I'll be back with you guys once this loads up. Okay, so now that I'm back, so I've got all this done right here. So I play one match of Fortnite, then I say I want to play another one, and that's where I come second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my media bar. So you just want to drag your clip. You can drag it in like this, or you can press the plus button just here. So that's probably the fastest way you can do it. So always keep your media, your gameplay level at 100%. You don't want it to be 400% and be all distorted. So keep it at 100. That's perfect audio. I mean, if you've got a quiet voice, you can turn up your audio and your voice. So I record on my vlog camera. I record my face. So the gameplay is just here of my face. And so what you've all been waiting for. So this video was also inspired by my friend Lachlan Carter. So he sent me an email saying, how do you make your gaming videos? So that I just thought I would record a video like this So it's like this, you put it over and it's like that. But if you come over here, it's just this. So what I like to do is to get my audio of my face and the gameplay at the same time, what you want to do is you want to tap the top of your audio. You're going to go up to this one, this icon only pops up when you do this, overlay it. I'm going to tap this and go to cuts away and go to picture in picture. So now it's going to have like this, so you can make it how big you want. So I have it like right there, and you just want to drag it up here, so maybe a bit smaller. That looks pretty good. So you're wondering how I do the black background and that little shadow that's under there. So what you want to do is you just want to go back into here. You want to tap on this, the thick border. It's going to bring up with the black just out there. So you can change the color if you would like to, so that it's white. You can change it any color, but I like using black, so I'm going to stick to black. And what you want to do is press shadow. So now it's going to bring up the shadow. So that's all what Lachlan Carter wanted. So there you go, Lachlan Carter. So once you do that, it dissolves in, so you can change what you want it to do when it comes in. So you can press it to zoom, so it's like this, like that. Or you can do swap, which is like this. So it just swaps the gameplay. So now my gameplay is at the top left corner and my audio is there, but we don't want that. We'll go back to dissolve, and if you don't want anything, just go to here and just get rid of that and put in 0. So now it's not going to dissolve in. So I do this so I can get, when I press the triangle button, right on time with the gameplay. So I need to make it a bit shorter and do that. So let's just press play. Okay, so I need to make my gameplay shorter actually. Let's make it to there. So you just keep on trying until you get your gameplay and audio right on time. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Okay, so I'm back and I've got it right on time. So if you see in the top left corner, it goes ready right at the same time. So now the gameplay and the audio is going to be together. So now what you want to do is, so I don't start talking, I just start talking when I'm in on the battle bus. So I need to find where I start talking, so right there. And what you want to do is you want to come up to the top here to modify. I'm sorry that you can't see it, but you want to press modify and you press split clip. So you can do that if you don't have a mouse. So the mouse for your computer. So you cut it there, so now you can just get rid of all this. And now it's right on time, the voice and the gameplay. So I'm skydiving down and I just start saying where I'm landing. So I land at Tomato Town and I go down the stairs. So if you guys haven't checked out the recent this video that I posted, it'll be in the outro of this video, so you can check out this Fortnite video, and you can also be in the description of this video. And if you haven't checked out the top 5 hidden chest locations in Fortnite Battle Royale, the video I made, make sure you guys check it out. They'll be in the description as well. So that's really all you do. So you've got this now, and now what you want to do is you just cut it down to whatever you like, and you just go from there. So you just cut it down to where you don't talk. So yeah, that's all for this video. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment. So the post notification shout out for this video goes to Lachlan Carter. So I've given him so many shout outs, but he deserves another one for giving me the idea of making this video. So thank you, Lachlan. And he's thinking about deleting his channels, and we don't want that. So please give him some support, watch some of his videos, and subscribe to his channel. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for 4,000 views on my channel. We just reached that 5 days ago, so thank you so much. I forgot to mention that on my top 5 chest location video. So yeah, so thank you so much for all the support and for subscribing. We're so close to 100 subscribers, 5 more subscribers, and that would be amazing if we get that. So make sure that new viewers, you guys subscribe so I can give you some more tutorials and some more Fortnite gameplay. So like Ali's challenges. Comment down below what challenges you would like me to do in Fortnite. So thank you all so much for watching again. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I wish you were sober.